A seller on Amazon recently reached out to me and asked me would I be interested in checking out these DeWalt compatible batteries. I will leave a link in the description. I think it's two for about £40–50, but a lot cheaper than a genuine DeWalt battery. That cost me £60 and these work out about £24 each. I've used copy batteries in the past and some of them have been very good and some of them have been a load of rubbish, so it will be interesting to see where this one falls. But yeah, we'll check them both on charge, even though it's saying fully charged. And both the DeWalt. I'll check them on the charger. I will also open the battery up so we see what cells are inside, and I will give you an honest opinion to whether they are worth it or not. Both batteries will go on charge now until they are fully charged, and then the test will start. The compatible battery have just finished charging. It was fully charged anyway, but we check them on the chargers just to make sure. Same as this one is saying it's fully charged, but I'm going to put it on the charger so it's a level playing field. But like I said, I've used compatible batteries in the past. Some have been really good and some have been rubbish, so it will be interesting to see where this one falls. But it fits perfectly on a DeWalt tool. This will be a test because this DeWalt grinder, it's brushed, not the brushless, and it's very angry on batteries. It goes through batteries like nobody's business when I'm using it, and that's genuine DeWalt batteries. So far so good. But we'll charge the DeWalt battery up now and then we'll do a test. But before I do the test, what I will do is take this compatible battery apart so you can see what cells are inside it. Let's undo the battery, simple Torx bits, just so we can see. Probably no named cells to be expected with generic batteries, but for the price you can't go wrong. DeWalt batteries are just well overpriced, same as Makita, Milwaukee, and all of them come to that. Just overpriced because they know people will buy them. I won't bother taking the DeWalt battery apart because I have taken it apart before and I can tell you now there are Samsung cells in there. It is a genuine battery because it was bought off a reputable DeWalt dealer. There we go. Yeah, as expected, no names on the cells, not even a barcode. But as long as it works, I'm happy. Like I said, I've used these batteries before, not this particular brand, but other third-party batteries before. I've still got some of them. They've worked to 100%. You'll probably find that it's slightly lower runtime than the equivalent DeWalt, but you know, if it's only a few minutes, take the price into consideration. But But yeah, that's what's inside it. No named cells. So we'll give the battery a test now. Here we go. Make sure everything's okay before putting everything back together. I will be extensively using this battery over the next few weeks to give it a full test. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. But first impressions are that it is very good. But like I said, time will tell. So I will fully test this battery and do another video in the next few weeks or months. We got 1 bar left. The battery doesn't really feel warm. It's definitely not hot, but you can feel a little bit of temperature there, but nothing really. On this tool, as I said previously in the video, eats batteries. So if it done what it have just done with the drilling and the cutting, I definitely recommend these batteries. They seem to be on the good side of what's out there, but only time will tell how long they last. I can't honestly tell you that. But for £24 or 40 something pound for the pair, definitely worth considering, because like I said, that was bought just before Christmas and it was £60. So for less than the price of one genuine DeWalt battery, you will get 2 of these, and from the test so far, seem really good quality. Just thought I'd show you this a bit quick. I just checked this battery. It is on 2 bars, so yeah, definitely a good battery at the moment anyway, because like I said, the grinder is a very power hungry tool. Even with genuine 5 amp DeWalt batteries, it doesn't really last that long with genuine batteries. So to do what I have just done on the video with this is quite impressive. So yeah, 2 bars. Now it's had a chance to cool for a couple of minutes basically. It hasn't been off long. But 2 bars, so yeah, plenty of power left. So yeah, it's a good battery, so please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks.